13a, express 180 as a product of its prime factors. So number of ways you can do this. My preferred way is just to write it out as a product, so fairly easily 180 is 18 times 10, and keep breaking down each number as far as I can until I get the prime factors. 18 would be 6 times 3, and 10 is 2 times 5. Now I've only got the 6 left that I can break down into further factors, which is 2 times 3. Keep the other numbers, times 3, times 2, times 5. And really, at this stage, it's done. You may like to put it in order. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. There's no real requirement to do this last bit, but in some questions you might be asked to write it using indices. So if we did that, we'd end up with 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. But as I say, you've really done the job. At this stage, you've expressed it as a product of its prime factors. Part B, Martin thinks of two numbers. He says the highest common factor of my two numbers is 6. The lowest common multiple of my two numbers is a multiple of 15. Write down the two possible numbers that Martin is thinking of, and I've just written down the previous answer as this is something that should help us. What we can see with 180 is that it is a multiple of 15 because you've got 3 5s here, and you've got two lots of 2 times 3, 2 times 3. So we can break 180 into two numbers that will satisfy Martin's requirements. So 180 is 6 times 30. 6 times 30. So the lowest common multiple of my two numbers is a multiple of 15. Well, the lowest common multiple of 6 and 30 is in fact 30. 6 5s are 30. And 30 is a multiple of 15, so that satisfies that requirement. And the highest common factor of 6 and 30 is 6. 6 goes into 6 and 6 goes into 30. So two numbers Martin could be thinking of is 6 and 30.